Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a graph in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First open Google Docs document where you want to add a graph. Now place your cursor where you would like the graph to appear. Then click Insert from the top menu and then go to Chart. You will see several graph options. Click on the one you want to add. A simple graph will be inserted into your document. Now click on the graph. Click on these three dots and click Open Source. This opens the linked Google Sheets file. Now replace the sample data with your own values. As you edit the spreadsheet, the graph will update automatically in Google Sheets. Now return to your Google Docs and here you will see the update options. Click on it. Your graph will now display the latest data from Google Sheets. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.